Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Hey, today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to show you some of my secrets of how I've revamped my channel, my sound, my YouTube hits, all the above, and I'm going to show it to you because my name is James Rule XRP, and I love sharing different things out there, not only crypto news, but today I'm going to show you how I do this. So let's go ahead and go to the screen. This morning I was using AI, and I'm going to show you that here in a little bit to create a thumbnail for this video. And as I'm making this video, this is the thumbnail that I'm going to use for today's video, how I increase my YouTube traffic. And we're going to go over a few things, and I'm going to show you what I have done here in the last few months, and it has made a huge difference. I've received positive feedback from the public. I've been doing sound checks. I've been doing very intense checking of different things on my channel, the algorithms, all the above. So the first thing, if you create a social media account, whether it be a podcast, a YouTube channel, whatever it may be, make sure that you have a good microphone. And I went in and I researched, and I've gone through several microphones, and I finally did a lot of research on the Shure microphones that have been out for years, and they have the MV7 Plus that plugs right into my MacBook. And it is an incredible microphone. Yes, a little pricey. It's $299 US. It is a really neat mic. I'm actually using it now. You can plug it straight into USB-C or with your different outputs. It is a powered up microphone, so you don't have to worry about having a additional source of power to get the sound to go through. It has a headphone jack. I'm wearing my headphones right now. But anyway, the mics make a big difference. This is the mic I use. And I also use OBS Studio, which is open broadcast software. Before I found OBS, I was using QuickTime Player on my MacBook. I would make a recording, and then I would go into iMovie, and I still use iMovie. When I record with OBS, I'll take iMovie in to put in an intro and an outro. iMovie comes with the MacBook, the Apples. And also the reason I use iMovie is to make sure that my sound settings are correct. So whenever I come in here and max out the sound, I don't want to be too high. I don't want it to, distort and everything. So I'm real picky on sound now. I do use iMovie. So if we go back here, OBS Studio is a free piece of software. You can stream YouTube videos. You could stream gaming. You could, record like I do. And it is called OBS. And I'm going to leave a link to everything I talk about in this video below so that you'll have a chance to click on it and check it out yourself. Okay, I talked about AI. So the way I created this thumbnail and the way I create a lot of my thumbnails is I'll take a picture of me or something, and I'll say, look, create me a YouTube thumbnail, 1280 by 720 pics, with the title, How I Increase My YouTube Traffic. Show various pics of microphones, speakers, and different things. And then AI, which is Super Grok. I have a Premium Plus account on X. I pay $50 a month, and it's worth every penny. I think what's worth every penny is that I get this Super Grok app to go in and do things for me. So this is the custom thumbnail, like I just showed you, that it spit out for me that's on this video. And if I take it a step further, after I record a video, like after I record this video here, I have a pre-typed, I put this in notes and then I paste it in the Super Grok. And I know it sounds kind of cheesy, but what I put is, okay, right here. I need a clickbait YouTube title with a maximum of 100 characters, an eye-catching professional 1280 pics by 720 pics thumbnail, a paragraph description of video and tags separated by commas to copy and paste. Do the best you can. I know I can count on you, Super Grok. Make it the best anyone has ever seen on YouTube. So what I did, I pasted in yesterday's YouTube video, which already has a thumbnail and all the above. And it's here's the clickbait title: XRP holders, Sailor and Giants just endorsed the Clarity Act. New tool forces senators to listen now. And here is another thumbnail it created for yesterday's video. And as you can see, it takes the video itself, it takes the content, it takes me, and it creates some remarkable graphics here through AI, through SuperGrok. I did not design all this. AI designed it for me. Here is the video description. It spits out a few paragraphs talking about what's in the video. It also gives you hashtags. I told it to create me tags to copy and paste in my YouTube video. And right here, I go in and I copy and paste this tags. And when people were searching for XRP or Ripple or Novogratz or Grayscale or XRP Ledger or whatever, Clarity at Crypto, it will send them to my channel. There's also another thing I have done. I created a welcome video to my channel. So if you go to the James Rule Crypto Show for the first time, you're going to see a 1-minute intro video. And I went in and I promoted this video for like $200 for, I'm going to say 4 to 6 weeks. And it's already gotten 49,000 impressions. I've gained 357 subscribers. Before I did this promotion, my subscription count was way down. I know YouTube has been kind of slow, but I guess when you got to pay to play, I guess. So I put in a little bit of money. It increased the algorithm. People are starting to see more of my videos. And after I create a video and after I upload my videos, there is also another secret service that I'm going to leak out to you right now. And you're going to know my secrets. It's called OpusClip. What OpusClip does, it takes your long videos and it makes viral mini clips out of it, and it adds captions, and it has different things, different fine-tuning things you could do in here. It puts the fonts on there. If I go to my dashboard, you could see my secrets of all of the latest things I put up here. I went in yesterday and created an iTrustCapital clip that was animated. If you see right here, I'm going to click on it real quick, and I'm going to hit play.
Harness the power of AI and data. Unlock liquidity. Borrow against your crypto, not your future. Access a universe of assets from one account. iTrustCapital.
And this is not the entire video, but you get an idea how it puts the captions out there for you. You don't have to spend hours. So what you do is you sign up for OpusClip. I do have a link below. We both get credits. And I bought a year's worth of credits. So every day it uses probably a dozen to 20 credits to create multiple videos. If I go back home and if I click on, say, a video that I've created, it gives me, I think, 10 or 12 different shorts that I can click on and then upload to different social medias like TikTok or LinkedIn or YouTube, and it automatically generates it and sends it out there. And as you can see here are all of my short videos that were created with Opus, Cynthia Lummis, and others that you've seen on my socials. And then finally, just make a clean page. If you decide to create a YouTube channel, I had AI create my thumbnail or my banner here. I had AI create my picture. I had AI go in and create the description of my video, my social links, all the above, and it has helped tremendously. And these are all secrets. So check out OpusClip, check out the ad promotions, check out Grok, check out OBS, check out the MV7 Plus. This microphone has made a huge difference, and it has Motive Mix, which is a piece of software that comes with the microphone, and it has filters, noise filters, background cancellation, echo filters, all the above. Check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Learn about my secrets. We'll be talking about crypto in the next few videos, so have a wonderful Sunday. We'll talk to you soon, and don't forget, people, I told you so. Oh, and one other quick thing, people. With OBS connected to your MacBook Pro, there are some camera settings on your MacBook Pro camera, like center stage, which automatically follows you and it zooms in on you. I don't use center stage that much, but the portrait lighting with the focus, the studio lighting, which kind of highlights you. And check this out. You also have your backgrounds, so you can set up custom backgrounds. Yes, my microphone disappeared when I did that, but yeah, it's really cool how your Mac and OBS integrate with each other. So I thought I would throw that in. So have a good day. And I'm going to say again, I told you so.